What's going on, mother truckers? Everybody on here is looking online, trying to find ways how to make money, and they're thinking about jumping into trucking. And so they're looking at getting their CDL, so one day they could build a business, invest, and just become a millionaire, right? So where are we in this game of trucking? And last month, the FMCSA actually approved a pilot program in Maryland and 3 other states in the East Coast that pretty much said that the only type of backing that they need to do for their skills test is just straight back. You know, the alley docking days and the parallel parking days, they say that that is not important.
Maryland was one of the 3 states to participate in a pilot program through the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration.
So essentially what they did is they looked at the CDL tests that we were providing across the country, and that's authorized by the federal government to say, what should it look like today? We know that features on vehicles have changed. We know that safety is a huge issue. How do we make sure that we're testing drivers on what they actually need when they're first out on the roadway driving those commercial vehicles?
You know, I had a truck driver actually email me and says that he actually was in this pilot program and just graduated, and he's having so much problems knowing how to park. And basically what he's doing is he's driving forward at every single truck stop. You know, every time he gets to a dock or a shipper, he almost has to beg someone to park the trailer for him. You know, this is what's happening. You know, the FMCSA, what are you doing? You think that backing up a semi-truck is just a straight line back? That's not going to do it. You know, mother truckers, comment down below. When it comes to learning how to back up, that is your livelihood of making money in the trucking industry. If you want to have any type of business, you know, I would say you got to learn how to back. And the alley docking is extremely important. And if you don't think you're ever going to use parallel parking, believe me when I say there's going to be a lot of situations where you're going to have to parallel park. Mother truckers, comment down below. What are your thoughts about this? Do you think that they need to incorporate back the alley dock and the parallel park? Or do you think that they are on the right path?